Mastering letter writing. The body of the letter. Hey there, English language learners. Welcome back to another exciting video in our series on learning English, reading and writing skills. In this episode, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of letter writing and focus specifically on the body of the letter. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. When it comes to letter writing, the body of the letter is where you convey the main message or purpose of your communication. It's the heart of the letter, where you express your thoughts, ideas, requests, or any other information you want to share with the recipient. The body should be clear, concise, and well organized to ensure effective communication. To write a compelling body for your letter, it's essential to follow a logical structure. Here's a simple guideline you can use. 2.1 Opening Paragraph. The opening paragraph sets the tone and introduces the main purpose of your letter. It's like an invitation for the recipient to continue reading. Start with a friendly greeting, briefly mention why you're writing, and provide any necessary context. 2.2 Middle Paragraphs. The middle paragraphs form the core of your letter's body. Each paragraph should focus on a specific point, idea, or topic related to the main purpose. Organize your thoughts coherently and consider using paragraphs to break down different aspects of your message. Use transitional words or phrases to create smooth connections between paragraphs. 2.3 Closing Paragraph. The closing paragraph wraps up your letter. Restate your main purpose and summarize the key points you've discussed. You can also express gratitude, make a suggestion, or propose a future action. Finish with a polite and friendly closing statement. Now that we understand the structure, let's explore some useful tips for writing an effective body for your letter. 3.1 Be clear and concise. Use clear and simple language to ensure your message is easily understood. Avoid unnecessary jargon or complex sentence structures. Keep your sentences and paragraphs concise, focusing on the essential information. 3.2 Stay relevant. While writing the body, it's crucial to stay relevant to the main purpose of the letter. Avoid including unrelated or extraneous details. Stick to the topic at hand to maintain a focused and coherent letter. 3.3 Provide supporting information. If needed, include supporting details, examples, or evidence to strengthen your points or claims. These can help provide context, clarify your intentions, or offer explanations when necessary. However, be mindful not to overload your letter with excessive information. 3.4 Use proper tone and style. Consider the tone and style appropriate for the letter's purpose and audience. Adjust your language accordingly, whether it's formal, informal, friendly, or professional. Adapting the tone can greatly influence how your message is received. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of writing the body of a letter. Remember, the body is where you communicate your main message and purpose, so make sure it's clear, concise, and well-structured. Practice your letter writing skills, and you'll become a confident and effective communicator in no time. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful in improving your English language skills. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons in our series on learning English, reading and writing skills. See you next time.